Ladies, is your husband legally blind or just refrigerator blind? My husband has refrigerator blindness. He can open a refrigerator full of food, and there could be a butterball turkey behind a clove of garlic, and he'll say, "We got nothing to eat in this house." I need a refrigerator that's 6 inches deep and 6 feet wide, so everything's in front like a crime scene lineup. No leftover egg foo young, just suspects. Step forward if you're edible. He's staring into the fridge like it's a magic eye poster. I don't see it. I'm like, blink, squint, tilt your head. There's a ham where your dreams used to be. If the food isn't aggressively waving at him like a lifeboat rescue, over here, it doesn't exist. Our leftovers don't expire. They just die of neglect 6 inches behind the ketchup.